Take two. All right, I'm here with my buddy and partner Lee Showard, who just got done doing the repair on this Onan 12,500. So it's ready to roll now with only 3,200 hours on it. And it's all dialed in and ready to go. Here's the serial number. It's a 1999. And this is a quietest diesel generator set for an RV made. I wish it was a little bit more power so I could put it in my RV, but I need 20,000 watts. But this is definitely quieter than any other diesel generator by far. Good. All right. Cool. So there it is. Give me a call at 727-400-2694. 727-400-2694. I could ship this anywhere in the country for around $250 uncrated and on a pallet, just like you see it there.